Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardisi sir, and today I will be continuing Standard 10 Maths First Chapter number 1 Linear Equations in Two Variables. My dear students, in yesterday's session we have seen how to draw graph, how to solve the simultaneous equation graphically. Today we will see how to solve determinant, how to find the values of the given determinants, and after it we will see how to solve the Kramer's rule. Okay, so look at the board please. Dear students, Chapter number 1 linear equations in two variables. Determinant, I have written over here capital D. We can represent the determinant by using any capital alphabets A, B, C, D, but determinant is initials starts from D, that's why I will use determinant capital D. Okay, so now see here, what is determinant? Determinant has four values. See here, A, B, C, D. Okay, fixed. Okay, there are only four values. And what is the formula to solve the determinant? What formula you will use to find the determinant? See, you will multiply this A to D, means this number will multiply to this number, and then minus sign will be there. Then we will use B to multiply to this number. Okay, it means AD, A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. This is the general formula to find the determinant of any given four numbers. Okay, now look at here, some examples I have given over here for your easy understanding. I hope you will understand. Question is, find the value of the following determinant for 1 mark. So what you will do, see, this is the given question. So I will write it over, I will write down this, I will represent it by capital D. Okay, it is 4, 3, 2, 7. What is the formula we have here? We will multiply 4 to 7. Yes. How we will show here, see, 4 will multiply to 7, then minus this 3 will multiply this 2. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 2. So what is the answer? 4 7s are 28 minus 3 2s are 6. 28 minus 6 is how much? 22. So what is the answer here? 22. How you have solved? There are four values A, B, C, D. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, this determinant has 2 rows and 2 columns. Is it clear? Okay, and how we have to solve? A will multiply to D and B will multiply to C. Now see here, in this determinant there are some negative numbers. So wherever the negative numbers will come, keep that numbers in the bracket. It will be easy to solve you. Look at here how I will solve this. First I will write this D is equals to D for determinant 5 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. So now what you will do, you will multiply this 5 to this one. Okay, I will multiply 5 multiplied by 1, sign of minus. Okay, there is a minus. Now this number is already negative, so you will write in the bracket, that is minus 2 multiplied by minus 3. Why I have written in the bracket? Always remember, when there is a sign, minus sign between two numbers, write the second one in the minus so that it will be very easy, no confusion, no answer will go wrong. So you have to solve it. 5 ones are 5, this minus is of formula. Now this is minus 2 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 3, minus 2 will multiply to minus 3 is plus 6 positive 6. Is it clear? How? Minus minus plus and 2 3s are 6. Minus multiplied by minus is plus and 2 3s are 6. Now what you will write here? 5. This minus multiplied by plus, it will be minus 6. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be minus 1. Is it clear? So this is how we have to solve the given determinant. Okay, now see the practice set 1.3. Fill in the blanks with the correct number. Here the question does not mention determinant, but the way of writing or the fill in the blanks or the empty boxes, they have been arranged in determinant formula. Can you see here? See, 3 will multiply to 5. So I will write 3 will multiply to 5 minus. Now 2 will multiply to 4. This 2 will multiply to 4. So 3 5s are 15. 2 4s are 8. Now 15 minus 8 will be 7. Is it clear? This is how we have to find the determinant. Now see, find the values of the following determinants. Question number 2 of practice set 1.3. Same method. Determinant capital D, minus 1, 7, 2 and 4. What you will do here? Just tell me. You will multiply this to this, minus 1 multiply by 4. Is it clear? Minus sign. Okay, look at here, AD minus BC. So now 7 will multiply to 2. 7 multiply to 2. Okay, so what will the answer? Minus 1 multiply by 4. Minus 4. This is a formula minus. 7 2s are 14. Can you see the both the numbers are negative? Minus minus minus, addition of number. Is it clear? Minus minus minus, addition of numbers. So what is D here? Minus 18. I hope you understood how to solve the determinant. Now we will see the next questions. Please look at the board here. See, question number 2, second question. 5, 3, minus 7 and 0. This is given determinant. We have to find the values of the given determinant. Default determinant 4 values A, B, C, D. Yes, 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay. Now we have to multiply this A to this D. So 5 multiply to 0. 5 will multiply to 0, minus sign. Then this B will multiply to this C. So that is 3 multiplied by minus 7. Why I have written in the bracket? There is a reason. Why? Because if there is a negative sign between these two terms, so second term should be written in the bracket. See, it will be very easy to solve, and here in these two numbers, one number is negative. So we have to write this term in the bracket. So this 3 will multiply to minus 7. So 3 multiplied to minus 7 is minus 21. 5 zeros are 0, minus as it is. 3 multiplied to minus 7, minus 21. This minus and this bracket means multiplication. This minus and this bracket means minus multiplied by minus is plus 21. Is it clear? Now look at here, third one. 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 1 upon 2. This is given determinant. Now my dear friend, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns. This A will multiply to this D. Okay, see how we have to solve it. 7 upon 3 will multiply to 1 upon 2. Okay, minus 5 upon 3 will multiply to 3 upon 2. Okay, we have to write these two in the brackets. Okay, now see, 7 ones are, the numerator will multiply to numerator. Okay, numerator will multiply to numerator, denominator will multiply to denominator. Is it clear? 7 ones are 7, 3 twos are 6. 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6. These arrows I have made you to understand. You don't make it. You should understand only. Okay. So can you see the denominator is same 6 and there is a subtraction. So subtraction is possible when the denominator are same. Okay. So 7 minus 15 upon only 1 6 because denominators were 6 or same. So 7 minus 15 upon 6. 7 minus 15 is minus 8 upon 6. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So answer is minus 4 upon 3. So this is how we have to find the determinant. Now next we will see the next question about Kramer's rule. Okay. So my dear students, now after solving the question number 2, now we will see how to solve question number 3, that is solve the following simultaneous equation by using Kramer's rule. Before solving the Kramer's rule, I have to explain you the what is Kramer's rule by solving an activity on textbook page number 14. Please look at the board how I am solving, and the explanation is very easy. Please look at the board. See how to solve the given simultaneous equations using Kramer's rule. Activity first, textbook page number 14. Two equations given to you. Okay, so how to start, how to solve? First you will write down the equations. Equation number 1, 2x plus y is equals to 19. Equation second, you will write below the equation number 1, 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 3. First equation up, second equation down. Okay. Now first, in Kramer's rule, first we will find out D for determinant. Okay. So determinant has or require 4 numbers A, B, C, D. What will the four numbers are here? So it is very simple. You have to see the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. In first equation, what is coefficient of x? 2. And in first equation, what is coefficient of y? Here is nothing, means here it is 1. Okay. Now in equation second also you will see the same. What is coefficient of x here? 2. And what is coefficient of y is here? It is minus 3. Be careful, it is minus 3, not 3. Is it clear? Now 4 numbers came. 2 rows and 2 columns. Clear? 4 4 numbers. Okay, now this column having coefficient of x and this column having coefficients of y. So now you will multiply a to d minus b to c. Okay, now you will multiply it. 2 multiplied to minus 3. 2 will multiply to minus 3 minus 1 will multiply to 2. 1 will multiply to 2. What will be the answer here? 2 minus 3 minus 6. Minus 2 ones are 2. So answer will be minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 addition of number, that is minus 8. So d is equals to how much? D is equals to minus 8. Okay. Now in Kramer's rule, after d you will find dx. Okay, dx. How you will find dx? 4 numbers you required, 4 numbers. Okay, pay attention, very easy, very simple. Whenever you will find out dx, that time the coefficient of x numbers you will remove, you will take out, and coefficients of y you will write as it is. Whenever you will find out dx, coefficients of x remove, take out, and you will write only coefficients of y. Then what you will write here at the place of these two coefficient of x? What you will write here? These two numbers, 19 and minus 3. See, 19 and minus 3. Okay, now you will multiply this to this, a to b, that is 19 multiplied by minus 3 minus 1 will multiply to minus 3. Okay, so what will be the answer? 19 3s are 57 minus 57 minus, then minus 3 ones are minus 3. So what will be the answer? Minus 57 minus and minus plus. Minus bracket means multiplication. Minus multiplied by minus is plus 3. Plus minus minus. Okay, 57 minus 3 it will be 54. But bigger number is 57, so sign will come minus 54. Is it clear? That is dx. Okay, d minus 8. dx minus 54. Now in Kramer's rule, after d you will find out dx, after dx you will find out dy. You will find out dy. dy also required 4 numbers, 2 rows and 2 columns, right? So like during solving dx you have taken out coefficient of x, right? Now for solving dy, to find dy we will take out coefficients of y. Coefficients of y take out, remove, and coefficient of x will be as it is. Okay, coefficients of x as it is, coefficients of y you will take out, remove. Then what you will write here? Here same 19 and minus 3. 19 and minus 3. Now you will solve this. This 2 will multiply to minus 3 minus 19 will multiply by 2. Okay, this to this. Okay, now this is minus 6 minus 38. So what is the answer? Minus 6 and minus 38 is minus 44. That is your dy. Is it clear? Now d after dx, dx after dy. Now you have to use by Kramer's rule. By Kramer's rule, you will find out x value of x, that is dx upon d. What is dx here? Minus 54. Minus 54 upon what is d here? Minus 8. Minus 8. So minus will get cancelled, and then 8 ones are 8. 8 6 are 48. Okay, 48. Then how much remain here? How much remain? 6. 6 remain. In 8 times table 6 counts? No. Increase 1 0, it is 60. So 8 7s are 56. How much remain? 4. 8 times table 4 counts? No. Increase 0, it is 8 5s are 40. So therefore x value came 6.75. Is it clear? Now like this only we will find out y, that is dy upon d. Okay, what is the value of dy? Minus 44. Minus 44 upon what is d? Minus 8. Minus will get cancelled. 8 ones are 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Again 4 will remain. In 8 times table 4 counts? No. Increase 0. Decimal point. Then 8 5s are 40. So therefore y is equals to 5.5. Now we will write x is equals to 6.75 and y is equals to 5.5. At last you will write x comma y is equals to 6.75 comma 5.5 is the solution is the solution of the given simultaneous equations. Is it clear? Given simultaneous equations. I hope you understood how to solve the Kramer's rule. Very easy. First you will find out d, then dx, then dy, and then x and y. Is it clear? It is very simple. D, coefficient of x, coefficient of y. Coefficient of x, coefficient of y. This to this, this to this. 8 will come, minus 8 will come, right? Dx, x coefficients you will take out, y coefficient you will write as it is, and then at the place of x coefficients you will write 19 and minus 3. Okay. The same for dy also. Y coefficients you will take out, x coefficients you will write as it is, and here 19 and minus 3 you will use. Okay. This is how you have to solve the simultaneous equation by using Kramer's rule. Okay. Now we will see the next question of practice set 1.3, how to solve the given simultaneous equation, okay, by using Kramer's rule. See this first one, question number 3, first one. This is one equation, this is another equation. So first method is you will write first equation above and second equation below the first equation. Okay. Now first we will find out d for determinant. How you will make these four numbers, from where these four numbers will come from? Okay. So this is coefficient of x and this minus 4 is the coefficient of y. 3 and minus 4 from the above equation. Okay. Now this coefficient of x is 4 and coefficient of y is plus 3. Okay. So these four numbers will come from these given two equations. Okay. See 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4 and 4 and 3. Okay. Now you have to find the determinant. How? 3 will multiply to 3 minus 4 will multiply to 4. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 multiplied by 4 minus 16. So 9 minus multiplied by minus is plus 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. This is the value of d for determinant. Clear? Now by solving Kramer's rule, after d we will find out dx. Okay, pay attention how to find the dx. So whenever you will find out dx, this column having coefficients of x, this column and this column, there are two columns. This column is having coefficient of x. Take out, remove that numbers 3 and 4, take out and write only y coefficients minus 4 and 3. Then what will come here? This 10 and this 5 you have to write instead of x coefficient. Clear? When you will find out dx, coefficient of x, take out, remove it, minus 4 and 3 you will write, and then here at the place of coefficient of x you will write 10 and 5. Then you have to multiply 10 multiplied to 3 minus 4 will multiply to 5. Clear? 10 3s are 30 minus and minus 4 5s are minus 20. Minus multiplied by minus is plus. 30 plus 20 is 50. So dx came 50. Now d after dx and dx after dy. Okay. So how to find this dy? Dy 4 number will come from where? So like dx you will find out dy also. You will take out these coefficients of y. Whenever you will find dy, take out the coefficients of y. This is coefficients of y. Take out, remove. Only write coefficient of x 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And here at the place of coefficients of y, I will use 10 and 5. Clear? Now you will multiply 3 multiplied by 5 minus 10 multiplied by 4. 3 5s are 15 minus 40. So 15 minus 40 is how much? Minus 25. So now by Kramer's rule we will find out x coordinate of x, that is dx upon d. Dx upon d, 50 upon 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50. Now y, dy upon d, minus 25 upon 25. 25 ones are 25, answer will come minus 1. X is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 1. So this is how you have to write at last the given answer. X comma y is equals to 2 comma minus 1 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. So this is how we have to find out the equations. We have to solve the simultaneous equation by using Kramer's rule. Okay. Now we will see the next question. Please look at the board. This is question number 3, second question. I have written the question in short. Solve the given simultaneous equation by using Kramer's rule. Okay. Look at the equation. This is equation, but we want linear equation in two variables. So this x and this y, this minus 4 should be go that side. this 6x, this minus y should come here, it will be plus 5y and it is equals to 8. So we will make it correct. Okay, the given equation we will make it correct. Look at here, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equals to 0, 6x is equals to 8 minus 5y. First make it correct, accurate. 4x plus 3y is equals to 4. This minus 4 will go to the right hand side. Now see the second one, 6x, this minus 5 will come here, it will be plus 5y is equals to 8. Now there are two equations are there. Now see how to solve. First equation you will write above, the second equation you will write below. 6x plus 5y is equals to 8, right? Now we have to find by using Kramer's rule. First we will find out d for determinant. Okay, so coefficient of x is 4, coefficient of y is 3. Then second equation, coefficient of x is 6, coefficient of y is 5. Okay, now you will solve this. A multiplied by d minus b multiplied by c. So you will solve 4 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied to 6. So 4 5s are 20 minus 3 6s are 18. So d value will come 2. Now after d we will find out dx, right? Now what four numbers will come here? Dx. Remember these are the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x remove, take out. So what you have to write? Coefficients of y as it is 3 and 5. Take out these coefficients of x. Then what you will write here? This 4 and this 8. This 4 and this 8. So you will write 4 multiplied by 5 minus 3 multiplied to 8. So answer is 4 5s are 20 minus 3 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So answer will come minus 4. Is it clear? Now after dx we will find out dy. Is it clear? After dx we will find out dy. So dy is equals to, same, you will take out the y coefficients. Y coefficients take out, remove. X coefficients you will write as it is, 4 and 6. And what you will write here? 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Now you will solve. 4 will multiply to 8 minus 4 will multiply to 6. So the answer 4 8s are 32 minus 24. So answer is 32 minus 24 is how much? 8. Okay. Now by Kramer's rule, we will find out value of x, coordinate of x by using dx upon d. So dx is how much? Dx is minus 4 and d is 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer is minus 2. Now we will find out y. dy upon d. It is, what is dy here? 8 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So y is 4. So x is equals to minus 2. Okay, and y is equals to 4. So at last you will write x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma 4 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Is the solution of the given simultaneous equations. I hope you understood how to solve the given simultaneous equation by using Kramer's rule. First we will find out d, determinant, then dx, then dy, then x and y. It is very easy. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.